Doggos, doggos. Look, doggos. There's doggos. 3 doggos.
Little pack.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today is once again laundry day.
Woo! Chores.
So that means we're gonna be having a pretty slow day and hanging out close to the hotel. But luckily, the Flower Festival Park is only a block away from our hotel, and so is the Sunday night market. And this morning, we woke up to 89 subscribers on our YouTube channel.
Woo!
And the last time we checked a few minutes ago, we're up to 93, 94? Mm-hmm. So it is very likely that by the end of the day, we're gonna hit 100, which is absolutely incredible. So thank you to everybody that has subscribed to our channel and watched our videos. So let's get going.
There's a bird that wakes us up every morning. It's like clockwork, like it has to wake us up. It's kind of like roosters in the morning in Mexico.
This is what 1 week worth of laundry looks like for me versus for Yemi.
This time we are going to a different laundromat, and this one's recommended on Google. And it's not a lady that's just standing outside and asking us if we want to get our clothes washed. Looks like they got pretty good reviews, so we're gonna go drop it off there and we'll see if it's either ready today or tomorrow, but typically it's 24-hour service here. We dropped off our laundry, and for 5 kilograms we paid 330 baht.
Which is about $10. So we had a little bit less laundry than usual, and it costs a little bit more, but they also include hotel delivery in the cost. And this one is well reviewed, and it seems like they have a system to track your laundry, unlike the last place.
Lesson learned. But yeah, it'll be ready tomorrow. In the meantime, let's go get some tea.
It's mega pint time.
Thank you. Cosmo and Wanda ain't slick. Delicious.
All the floats from yesterday's parade are still parked in front of the Flower Festival. We came to a restaurant that is next to our hotel, and it's actually kind of tucked away. We didn't realize there was a restaurant the first few times we walked by, but it looks pretty good and the prices are very good. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm trying something new. Well, new since we've been in Thailand. I'm getting stir-fried veggies with egg and rice.
And I ordered pad thai. I haven't had pad thai in about a week and a half, so I think it's kind of new for me this week.
And last time we checked, we're at 98 subscribers.
Woo! Yay!
I wonder who's gonna be our 100th.
Oh my god, that's true.
This might be the most beautiful pad thai we've gotten yet. This looks so good too. These are pretty big portions too.
No, I finished my Thai iced tea. I wanted to use this to balance out these spicy.
Some spicy.
Oh yeah. I added a spoonful, but I think that this already has spice into it.
Really good white rice too.
That meal was super good and really filling, so it'll hold us down till dinner time.
We'll probably be back because they have a huge menu and it all look really good. But for now, it's time to get to work. Living in hotels now, we're really getting spoiled by this daily cleaning service. We're just sitting here and doing some work on our laptops on more videos, and we just checked and we already hit 100 subscribers on our channel, and our first Asia video, the one-way flight to Bangkok video, is over 1,000 views.
Woo! Yes!
So we already have 7 more videos ready to go for you guys. They just need music, and for that I need Yami's help because I am terrible at picking music for videos.
I I know we said this like 5 times already, but thank you so much to everybody that's been watching. If you guys want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and also follow us on our social media. We're on Instagram and on TikTok.
After knocking out some more videos and hitting 120 subscribers, we are on our way to the Sunday night market here in Chiang Mai. We're going to be taking back roads to get there, and it should drop us right in the middle of the market, so we'll get to see a different part than we saw last week.
We've also noticed that at these markets, the food portions tend to be a lot smaller, and it makes sense to get people to spend more money, which works every time. Guilty. But so we're gonna see if we could find a couple of snacks. I really want the garlic bread with butter. That was my favorite. And then we're gonna get dinner at the local food cart that we really like because it's heading in that direction, but it's not close enough to our hotel right now, so we missed that food.
I also want to get another cartoon pancake.
Yes! There's a cart where he makes you like any kind of cartoon character you want. Last time we got Bart Simpson. This time we'll get something different.
And it's only 20 baht, which is like 60 cents. Who recognizes that tree?
Got a garlic bread. This is different from the one last time. Oh yeah, there's garlic in this, alright.
Yeah, Oreo
And
pretzel.
40 baht. We got a Oreo waffle, and I thought it was gonna be like the last one where they just warm it up for you, but no, they also warmed it up and added chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and crushed Oreos along with Oreo pieces. This looks super good. I already know this is gonna be really good. Oh yeah. Oreos are my favorite. And with waffles too.
We both just got some fresh ink. Ever since getting our last tattoos, we both really wanted to get new tattoos, and this is an easy way to test out our tattoo ideas. I wanted to celebrate traveling to Thailand on a one-way ticket.
And I really like bunnies, so I got a bunny.
Made it back to Spider-Man. We got a pancake with art on it,
we chose Minion this time, and last time we had this, it was really good, so I chose the same sauces, and I already know it's gonna be really good. Oh, it's so dirty. Gross.
ครับผม11ชุดนั้นครับ iPhone 11ใช่ป่ะเดี๋ยวสักครู่นะ
Oh, it's another one. Yes.
Yep. Okay.
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Unexpected purchase, and the markets are pretty good at that. We both got new phone cases. $3 each. We both could use new phone cases. Mine was getting pretty gross and old after 2 years.
And I just had like a OtterBox pink one. It wasn't very cute, and I love this. It's got the Toy Story character, the clown. This purchase just made us happy. I'm so glad I got a cute phone case.
$3 for happiness. That's pretty cheap. Put a smile on our faces.
Yeah, we got some stickers for our water bottles and laptops. Now we are leaving the market and getting our dinner.
Street cart lady.
I haven't had her in 3 days. I miss her food.
The market is a lot bigger than we realized, and a lot bigger than the market last night on Saturday. We walked from one end all the way to the other end, and we still only saw about half of it since there's a whole other street completely full.
They offer a lot of trinkets, so anything you want to bring back home, they've got. So we got a couple of things, and they have a lot of street carts as well. So we were able to find a lot of desserts, and they were really good.
We were looking for a couple more practical items, like we need one more travel 3-ounce bottle. But they don't really sell practical or household items. It's mostly just tourist souvenirs. Street cart lady, I can see her cart lights. Yummy! I made it.
Oh.
The phone screen.
We were trying to show you masks, but I wanted to show off my phone instead. Like, thank you! I'm so happy. Okay.
We don't really track our budget day to day. We just kind of keep in mind the number and try to get close to that ballpark or under it. But today we felt like we were spending kind of a lot going to the market, so we decided to add everything up that we spent today. Our budget daily is $35 right now. I forget what that is in baht, but $35. This is everything that we spent in baht. See if we can.
Oh man.
That's everything we bought in baht prices, and that converts to $22, $23. So yeah, even on a splurge day, we're still under budget here in Thailand. That's everything from Thai iced tea through dinner.
Oh, we're doing pretty good.
Might go get some beer to celebrate that.
Yes.
Right now we're sitting at 134 subscribers, and this is now our most viewed video at 1.4 thousand views, which is absolutely unreal. I guess really it's street cart lady and dude, her husband helps her out too.
I'm excited to eat, and because I bought this phone, I'm in the mood to watch Toy Story, so that's gonna be our plan for the rest of the night.
There's our hotel from last week, a lot closer to street cart lady.
Now we have to walk 20 minutes to get to our hotel, and not just 3 minutes.
So we're gonna go hike back to our hotel, and we will see you all tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Bye!